And we are here with Salman Khan, who has told us a lot about bikes. Can you tell me, Salman, when did your love for bikes start?
I think since very early age, my cousins in
Do you
Indore.
remember your first bike?
Yeah, my first bike was a Jogado bike that I picked up a 125cc engine, and I put in old bullet tires, and I got a frame of some other motorcycle, and I made that bike. And that bike, I think I. It took me about a month and a half to fix that bike, and I got it on the road, fixed it all alone. And one of my cousins used to own a garage, so I've sat with him and I assembled that bike. I mean, it's all different, and it was like made it like a scrambler, dirt bike, trail bike.
So it's not like you only
Yeah,
ride a
yeah.
bike.
No, so
You
yeah,
do things about it.
yeah. I mean, no, I could do it then. I mean, simple even now. But so there's a friend of mine. You remember that guy, Salim, the fat guy who used to be in movies with me?
I
He was in so he was a dear friend of mine. He used to own bikes, so that engine was from him. And after a month and a half, he saw me down Carter Road riding it. So he looked at me, Sharman, this is the one that I picked up from you. Really? So I was sleeping. He comes at 6 o'clock in the morning. He takes the bike. He goes, and I come down, wanting to go to college. And I say, "ये bike कहाँ है?" जैसे वो सलीम बाबा आके लेके चले गए. So then in the evening I went to his place. I said, "कहाँ है बाइक भाई? तू लेके चले गया." ऐसे यार बाइक की ज़रूरत थी. वो पिक्चर का स्टंट था. उसको फिल्म सिटी के लेक में उड़ाना था.
और बाइक ठीक था?
And then they did the stunt with my bike, and the bike went in. Must be somewhere still there in the film city ka lake.
But you know, thinking about something like this, like a supercross, why did you think that I should invest here? Because we know that you love for sports.
No,
But
I
why
just think
bikes?
you should put. What is that? Your money where your mouth is? Huh? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just think it's. I mean, they call it a niche sport and stuff like that. I just don't think that's what it is, because they're considering the population of our country and the amount of bikes are sold, and it is the largest selling country for bikes and scooters and stuff like that. So I just thought that instead of people racing on the roads, they should have tracks to race on. And I don't think this is a niche sport. I just think that there's no infrastructure, there's no league. So now we have a league, and now we have the infrastructure. So all the guys riding on the streets, racing on the streets, have a chance to come and race in these leagues.
Okay, my last question. Your film Battle of Elkan is coming, and we have seen how you have trained for it. It looks amazing, and you look fantastic in it.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
And tell me a little more about it. When it's releasing? We are really
Yeah,
excited about
the
it.
time. We start shooting now, in another 10 days, and then it'll release. This will be a quick release.
I hope it's
Yeah, and it's an intense one. It's
It looks intense.
it's a difficult one. As humanly, it's difficult to do a film like that, because high altitudes, hand-to-hand action, raw, brutal action in the Thanda Pani of Leh Ladakh.
You are used to Thanda Pani.
Huh? Yeah, but not so ठंडा. ठंडा पानी पीने के लिए. हाँ? ये यहाँ पे you'll be in the water for about 8 days. Yeah, in that एकदम ताज़ा snow melting पानी that's coming in the river, and action in that.
So that was challenging.
No, that will be challenging. I'm dreading it, but I will do it.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
Welcome.